Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials. Confirm you have the Nest Cam second generation powered and online, and log into the Google Home or Nest app. Once done, make sure to note the camera's placement and account email. This helps re-adding. Use a pin tool or straighten paperclip to reach the tiny reset hole. Press gently. You're doing this to clear local settings and force a factory state, so keep the camera plugged in and steady while you prepare the next step. You now perform the actual reset. Insert the tool and press the reset button for about 10 seconds. Hold until the LED blinks amber and then changes. This indicates the camera is erasing settings. Once the light goes to solid white or a pulsing pattern, release the button and allow the unit to reboot. This can take up to a minute. Make sure the router remains stable and the camera stays powered. Interruptions during this phase can leave the device in a part. You finish by re-adding the camera in the Google Home or Nest app. Choose Add Device, follow the QR or setup code prompts, and assign the camera to a home and room. If it doesn't appear, power cycle the camera and router, then repeat the factory reset. Intermittent Wi-Fi often causes discovery failures. For odd LED colors or repeated failures, update app firmware if available, or contact support with the camera serial. This single tip usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.